Welcome back to AZVR, Mechanical Universe. Today, we will talking about an important rigging concept. Lesson 2, Sling tension, Math Basics. Why smaller angles means higher tensions? This is simple, but extremely important in real lifting work. Why is this topic important? Wrong sling angles can overload the sling. A smaller angles means higher tension. Safe rigging requires both judgment and basic math. If lifting work, load weight alone does not tell the full story. Let's look at the simple two-sling lift. Load weight is W. Sling tension T. Sling angle theta. Two slings suppose the same load W. But remember, the sling angles theta changes the force in each sling. Basic formula: T equals W divided by 2 times sin theta, where tension T equals tension in each sling. W total load weight, theta sling angle from the horizontal. Ruler: as theta gets smaller, T gets large. T equals W divided by 2 times sin theta. As the angles get smaller, the tension gets large. Work the example. Here, load 1,000 pounds. Sling single here 30 degree. Because sin 30 degree equals 0.5, so T equals 1,000 divided by 2 times 0.5. That is T equals 1,000 lb. Here, this T 1,000. This T 1,000 pounds. This T 1,000 pounds. Compare 60 degree. The same load, 1,000 pounds. 1,000 pounds. Okay, calculate. This T 60 degree. T equals to 577 pounds per sling. 557. This up 1,000. Okay. Conclusion: the smaller sling angle, the much higher tension. Some load, different angle, bigger tension is at smaller angles. At 6 degree, tension almost half equal to the 30 degrees. This is the key idea of this lesson. At 6 degree, the tension is lower. At 45 degree, it becomes higher. At 30 degree, it becomes much higher. At the 15 degree, it is nearly 2 times the load. To sum up, same load, different angle, very different tension. Today, we learned an essential ring principle. Smaller sling angles mean higher tension. Safe ring require judgment as sling angles change the force, not just the load weight. Smaller sling angles mean higher sling tension. Thank you for watching AZVR Mechanical Universe. Please subscribe and continue learning step by step.